Welcome to our video on GPA Calculator. If you are a student or someone who works in the education field, you know that GPA grade point average is an essential measure of a student's academic performance. A GPA calculator is a tool that helps you calculate your grade point average by inputting your grades and their respective credit hours. You can find GP calculators online, or you can create your own using an Excel spreadsheet or a pen and paper. GPA calculators are easy to use, and they save you time and hassle by doing the calculations for you. Using a GPA calculator is simple. All you need to do is enter your grades and their corresponding credit hours. For example, if you received an A in a 3-credit course, you would enter a grade of A and 3 for the credit hours. Repeat this process for each course, and the GPA calculator will provide you with your grade point average. A GPA calculator is important because it helps you stay on track with your academic goals. You can use it to determine your current GPA, predict your future GPA, and set realistic goals for yourself. You can also use it to calculate the minimum grades you need to maintain or improve your GPA. Additionally, GPA calculators are helpful for scholarship applications, college admissions, and job applications. In conclusion, GPA calculators are an essential tool for students and educators alike. They help you save time and hassle by doing the calculations for you, and they help you stay on track with your academic goals. So, whether you are a student or someone who works in the education field, we encourage you to use a GPA calculator and see the difference it can make for you. Thank you for watching our video on the GPA calculator. We hope this video helped you understand what a GPA calculator is, how to use it, and why it's important. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. And, as always, keep learning and growing